Hello and welcome back to Amorphophallus. In this video, we're taking a detailed look at Amorphophallus hirsutus, a rare species that is mainly known among collectors. This is not a common plant, and it's usually only seen in specialized collections. In this video, I'll cover how to identify it, how it grows, and how to manage it in cultivation. Amorphophallus hirsutus is part of the Araceae family, alongside genera like Anthurium, Philodendron, and Alocasia. Like other Amorphophallus, it grows from a tuber and produces either a leaf or an inflorescence during each growth cycle. One of the key features of this species is its surface texture. The name hirsutus means hairy. In this specimen, fine hair-like structures can be observed on the spadix, although the exact distribution of this trait may vary. This detail is not always obvious in photos, but it becomes clearer when you examine the plant closely. In addition, identification can also involve the structure and proportion of the spadix and spathe, surface texture rather than just color, overall form of the inflorescence. In Amorphophallus, small details often matter more than general appearance. This species originates from tropical Southeast Asia. It typically grows in forest understory environments with high humidity, warm temperatures, filtered light, organic, well-aerated soil. These conditions are relatively stable, which is why the plant is sensitive to sudden changes in cultivation. The underground tuber allows the plant to survive periods when conditions are not suitable. During that time, there is no visible growth above ground. Amorphophallus hirsutus follows a seasonal growth cycle. Dormancy. The plant remains as a tuber underground. Watering should be minimal. Leaf stage. A single leaf emerges, often with a tree-like structure. This is the phase where the plant builds energy. The quality of this stage directly affects future growth. Flowering stage. If enough energy is stored, the plant may produce an inflorescence instead of a leaf. This depends on tuber size, health, and previous growing conditions. The inflorescence consists of the spathe, the spadix. The spadix contains both male and female flowers, arranged in separate zones. This structure helps regulate pollination. Like many species in this genus, it may produce a scent similar to decaying material. This attracts pollinators such as flies and beetles. The odor is temporary and usually strongest at the beginning of the bloom. Successful cultivation depends on replicating its natural conditions. Soil. Use a well-draining mix. Cocoa peat or leaf mold. Perlite or pumice. Organic compost. Watering. Water regularly during active growth. Reduce or stop during dormancy. Avoid excess moisture around the tuber. Light. Bright, indirect light is ideal. Humidity. Higher humidity supports better growth. Temperature best between 20 degrees and 30 degrees C. Stable conditions are more important than exact numbers. Tuber rot from overwatering. Weak growth due to insufficient light. Delayed sprouting, which can be normal. These plants do not follow a fixed schedule, so variation is expected. Amorphophallus hirsutus is not widely available in general markets. It is mainly found within collector networks. The interest comes from its rarity, its unusual texture, its specific characteristics within the genus. For many collectors, the value is in understanding and maintaining the species over time. This has been a detailed overview of Amorphophallus hirsutus. If you are growing this species, your experience may vary depending on your environment, and that's part of the process. For those interested in exploring more species or availability, you can visit the Amorphophallus website for additional information and updates. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.